The 2007 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, rear defrost, FWD, climate control, multi-zone, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.